Hey YouTubers, this is going to be tiling project in Aspire 3, and we'll cover how to create the ellipse, how to use the tools to shape your dish. We will populate the dish. We'll show you how to choose your tile manager and how to fill that out. So I hope it'll be interesting for you, and we'll get right on it. Thanks for watching. Okay, YouTubers, we're going to continue with series number 3 of the tile making in Aspire. And we'll just briefly go over this a little bit. I don't know how well you can see this on the screen, but we used our Create Shape tool to come over here and click on the oval or the ellipse, and we made our shape. We added a zero plane. We added the multiply, and then we added our components. And to make this go a little faster, I'm not going to, everything is kind of pre-planned except the position, so the height and the shape of it won't change. So we're going to take our barn and we're going to move it down here. Okay, and if we go to our component properties on the barn, it's merge, and it's 0.5077. That's the height, the shape height. There is no base height. And we'll close that. All right, now we have some fence here. We'll move this fence into position. And there's another short piece. Okay, and if we look at those, it's merge. The shape height is 0.1. There's no base height, and we'll close that. And the other piece of fence, that's merge. The shape height is 0.1. Base height is 0. Close that. Okay, we're going to do the moon. Bring that moon down in here. The moon. That's merge. The shape height is 0.06. No base height. Okay, I'm going to move here to the lake scene. Click on that and bring it down. Okay, we're going to call that good. And we'll look at the component properties for the lake scene. Merge. The shape height is 0.4401. There's no base height. We can close that. Okay, we got a little transition here. This line right here, and I'm going to help hide this by using this group of trees. Okay, and the height of the trees, it's merge. The shape height is 0.3902. Now I got a cloud here that I need to move down into position. This is going to help hide this transition. Okay. The cloud is merge. The shape height is 0.3163. We'll close that. Okay, now we're going to bring our ducts in here. This duct we'll bring in first. Okay, we'll check the shape height. We're going to have a base height on this too. The shape height is 0.5398. The shape height is going to be 24. We'll close that. And this is a goose here, even though I have him flying with the ducks, but okay, the goose. The shape height is 0.5399. The base height is 0.2. Okay, we're going to close that. And actually we're ready to run our toolpath. Now this is going to take a little while, so and I'll cut this out so that it will. Okay, our calculations are done. We're going to. I want to move this so that we can see this a little better. And go here, and we're going to reset our preview. Preview all toolpaths. Hey YouTubers, this video is video 3, series 3 rather, was getting too long. So I've broke it up into 2 separate videos. So this is the end of Series 3, and the pickup will be Series 4, right where Series 3 left off. Hey, YouTubers. Well, our project in Aspire, the tiling project, this is tiling 3. We're done. We've covered a lot, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you really like it, subscribe. There'll be more. And if you didn't like it, well, you can all do that too. So, okay, see you next time.